Okay, amigos, today we're gonna learn how to make chimichurri, which here at PFG we have shrimp a la chimichurri. So there's a lot of ingredients that we need. First of all, we need cumin, 2 teaspoons of cumin. And then one of the most amazing things is Mexican oregano, 2 teaspoons. And then we need some pepper flakes, again 5, 6. Then again 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. And we're gonna grind this little thing until we have everything pulverized on the mortar. So once we have that, we're gonna grind it all good until everything, all the spices get combined, so all the goodness stays in there. And then we have minced garlic, about 4 or 5 garlics. We're gonna dump it all in there. So now all the flavors are gonna combine with the cumin, salt, pepper, and oregano. And this is what makes it more delicious. You know, you can put it in a blender, but I find out that like this, it's just more authentic. The garlic, it's more amazing when you taste it on the shrimp. So once we have that, you know, all crushed, and we have some rough chopped minced parsley. So we're gonna have that in there. And again, you know, we're gonna give it another rough press in here. So all the flavors get crushed, all the juices, all the oils combined with each other. And I know this is not Argentinian way of doing it. You know, everybody has their own version, but I put some toasted red arbol chilies, which I just break into it and just use the seeds, just break it in there. You know, as many as you like. You know, some people like it spicy, some people don't like it spicy at all, but I just do that, you know, just for fun. Try it, whatever you like. If you like it spicy, if you're not, just don't put it on. Another rough chop, just press it, you know, all the combinations of the flavors from all the spices, the garlic and the parsley, it's just gets in there. And then, you know, olive oil, which I don't know, some people use measurements, I don't, but today we're gonna do it. Just, you know, follow the rules. 1/4 of a cup. So I feel like it needs a lot more, so I'm just gonna put 2. Again, if you make it for yourself, you know, just do as much as you want. But here at the restaurant, we always use 2 cups. And we use balsamic vinegar. A lot of people use just regular vinegar, but I like the punch of the balsamic. So I'm just gonna use 1 cup. And that's it. Just give it another rough. So now all the combinations, all the flavors are in there. I just feel like it needs a little bit more oil. And oh, this looks amazing. It's perfect. And that's how you make chimichurri.